One thing that comes up quite often is technicians or shops are replacing tires for a customer. Sometimes the customer wants a different size tire, and quite often that tire requires a different pressure than what the vehicle is set up for. So let's take a look at this 2017 Dodge Durango. I'm going to use the Chrysler Y-Tech, the factory scan tool, to actually go in and change the tire pressure threshold in the control module here, so that we can make sure that when the tire job's done, the TPMS light is out and the system is working properly. So we've got the tool plugged in, set up, and despite what we would typically look at, we look in the wireless control module or the TPM module, but we're actually going to the body control module to do this function. So that's the first tip, look in the body control module. Then under miscellaneous functions, we can program tire size, which if we're changing the tire size, we need to do that, but also update pressure thresholds. It says this function will update the TPMS load inflation pressure stored in the BCM and the TPM if present. Use the cold tire inflation pressure for the front and rear tires listed on the tire and loading information label inside the door jamb. So hit continue. Now we can see currently the front tires are set at 33 psi, the rears are at 36 psi. So I'm going to continue, and now ask me to set the new pressure for the fronts. And so we're actually going to go with 40 psi for the fronts. Hit continue. And I'm going to go with 44 for the rear. Continue. It's updating the modules right now. It says it's now successfully updated the tire pressure threshold values in the BCM and TPM. I'm going to hit continue. And just like that, we can now see that my new values have been entered in there. So hopefully now you understand what it takes to use the factory scan tool to update the pressure thresholds on a Chrysler vehicle.